Can you hear that? Birds chirping. Okay, so I wanted to show this patch to you. This is a Roselle, or in Tamil we call Pulicha Keerai or Kasara Keerai, or in Telugu it's called Gongura. So it is a sour green, and it grows, you keep chopping it up from the top, clip it off, and then it keeps growing, and it has beautiful flowers that come out, and the fruit that is growing out of it, you can actually use it for making tea as well. And these keerais are really wonderful to cook with. So we are going to harvest it today. This is the fruit of Roselle. This is another variety. So if you see this red color bud-like things, these are seed pods. There are seeds inside, and once you let them mature, you can use those seeds to grow these plants again. And these buds, these Roselle buds, are the ones which we can use it for making tea. It's very tasty. I think one of these days I'll show you how to make tea out of this. So this is the Roselle buds, and that's my helper who's trying to harvest this keerai for me to take home. Look at this. This is the flower of Roselle. How pretty are they? Look at this. This is the hibiscus variety. This also falls under the hibiscus variety. So if you see, it'll resemble hibiscus a lot, the flowers. So this is the Roselle flower, and after the flower it turns into a fruit, or not fruit, mostly a seed pod that I showed you here, right? And once the seeds are mature, you can use the seeds to grow more of these beautiful Roselle plants. She's helping me today with my harvesting, and here I have a bunch harvested and kept already. So I'm going to take these and turn them into a Gongura chutney, which will probably last me for 10 to 15 days, I guess. So easily. I'll also show you how I made it, probably in one of the next videos.